So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So yesterday on Instagram story you have asked me a lots of questions on it. Now let us move forward to the each and every question, and I will be trying to give answers of those. So now let us start. So first question is it easy to qualify both groups at a time? So definitely it will be easy, but there is 2 or 3 points you have to consider. First is you have to give your extra efforts. For example, if you are giving a single group, then it will be a more easy compared to both group. So first is you have to invest your more and more time. Second is you have to be a confident. If you are not confident in any paper, then there might be a possibility that you are not able to secure 40 marks. So try to be a confident. Third point is when confident will come. For example, in any paper you are not confident. So what is the reason? You haven't did each and everything of that module. That might be the reason. So try to do each and everything of each and every module. So that is the third point I would like to say. So if you are doing these 3 things, definitely it will be very easy for you to crack the both groups, because in December 2018 attempt I have given the intermediate both groups, and I didn't find any problem. Just you have to invest your more and more time. That will be fruitful to you. Now let us move forward to next question. भैया क्या सीएमए इंटर में 1-2 अटेम्प्ट लगने से ट्रेनिंग में दिक्कत होता है? सो एज सच इन केस ऑफ फर्म आई डिडंट फाइंड एनी प्रॉब्लम. सो इन केस ऑफ PSU there might be a problem, so because the number of applicants may be more. So in case of firms you may go with any references if any available. So try to do that so that you will be getting articleship very easily. Third question is there any benefit of doing a CMA with BCom? So that is the most important question. Definitely there are number of benefits, because for few companies, for example ITC, for few PSUs, the BCom plus your CMA is mandatory. So definitely there are some advantage of doing the CMA with BCom. The number of shortlisting, the number of companies who are coming in the campus placement, they are focus on those person who have done a graduation along with the CMA, not along with, for example, firstly you have completed your BCom and then you have joined the CMA. That is enough. So both the requirements are mandatory for few companies. So definitely there is some extra advantage of doing a CMA plus BCom. Now let us move forward to the next question. Sir, after completing intermediate we go for a training. So definitely you can go for the training on or after taking registration in the intermediate. We can apply for the final only after training. So that is not an case. You can apply for the final, plus you can give your single group. For example, if you have started your articleship, but if you want to give any single group of final, then definitely you can give. But before giving the last group or the both group, you have to complete your training. For example, in next attempt you are going to give a single group, then definitely there is not mandatory to complete your training. In the June 2022 attempt you are giving your second group. So in that case, before giving the examination of June 2022, you have to complete your compulsory all the trainings and all. So I hope you are clear with the answers. Next question is, भैया how to be a motivated and self-focused while doing a study? I am facing too much restriction. So definitely it may happen, because nowadays the situation somewhat different. That is what we used to. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to invest your I have already made a video on that, how to manage your 24 hours. So you can check the video. That is previous video. You can check. Definitely you will be getting some idea about how to give your best and best, how to utilize your 24 hours in a best manner. So now let us move forward to the next question. Sir, what's your salary package? So definitely here I am not advised to disclose here, but definitely I will be disclosing if you are meeting me on the Instagram personally. So definitely I will be intimating you. Next question is, how to do a study particular subject to get a highest marks in it. So if you want to secure highest mark, for example, if you want to secure 80, 90 or 95 marks, definitely you have to invest your more time. Secondly, you have to do each and everything. For example, you are skipping the one chapter, and in the examination from that chapter there will be a 8 to 10 marker question. So definitely you are going to lose that 8 or 10 marks. So first is you have to cover each and everything of the module. Secondly, secondly, try to do a reference book if any available. For example, for few subject I can say direct text, CMA intermediate direct tax, CMA final low, CMA final SFM, CMA final direct tax. You have to go for the reference book if any available if you want to highest marks in any subject. But in case of intermediate, you are not supposed to do more and more reference book. Our modules are more than enough, so you can focus on that plus MTP, RTP and workbook, and make sure you are one shoot going through with the past attempt question paper so that you will be getting an idea what kind of questions you will be getting in the upcoming examination. So try to give your more and more, plus try to do each and everything of the module, and don't skip any theory, because in each and every subject you will be getting a theory of 20 to 25 marks. So try to do a theory as well. Now let us move forward to the next question. CMA Foundation December term exam will be online or offline? So it is too early to say anything on the CMA Foundation 21 December 21 examination, because still considering the current situation and the institute what want is online examination and online system. So definitely we can expect the online examination, but what will happen for what will be going to be happen for upcoming examination, it is too early to say. So let us wait for a while. Next question is, भैया currently कहाँ पे job कर रहे हो and what is the package? So currently I am working in the Accenture operations and my location is the Mumbai, and what is the package? As I have already told, I can't disclose here. Next question is, could you give me some tips for the online exam since it was a typing, especially for low paper? Is it enough? Is not too enough? Is not too tough? So it is not a tough examination. Institute will take care of each and everything, because for example many of us are not good in the typing, so that might be the case, but institute will take care of everything. But in part 1 there are 40 marker questions, and this will take less and less time, and for 60 marks part you will be getting more than 2 hours. So definitely there will be no issue. In case of typing also there is a predetermined format as well, so there will be no issue. I don't think so there will be any issue, but try to do a practice. If any materials for example keyboard and all the things are available, then try to do a practice. Right now practice is not required. You can invest your 10 or 15 minutes afterwards. Once the exam is near to 20 to 25 days, then you can definitely go for the practice. Next question is, will institute conduct examination in October? Because in news they are saying third wave will hit hard in October. So definitely exam will be happen, and don't make any assumptions about the upcoming examination unless everything is clear with you. Examination will happen, and definitely it is going to be happen. Next question is, फाइनल एग्जाम देने के लिए कितने ईयर की आर्टिकलशिप मैंडेटरी है? तो इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द योर डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. इफ यू हैव डन योर रजिस्ट्रेशन आफ्टर, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट the dates, but if you have registered for the intermediate in 2021 after February, I think 11th February, then you have to do a 15-month training. Otherwise you have to do a 6-month training. I have posted that PDF in the Telegram channel. You can find it with each and everything. Now let us move forward to the next question. The next question is, I have completed my intermediate in Jan 2020, whether I will be going with her. Shall I go for the industrial training or give a December attempt for final? So definitely if you have a attempt and if you have done your preparation, then definitely you have to give an examination in the December 21. And if you have a ways to do articleship, definitely you can go for the articleship plus your upcoming examination. You can do a both, so there will be no issue about the same. So next question is, what is your self motivation? So only one line I would like to say, from where I am coming and at which place I want to go. So that is the one line. I think more than enough to be self motivated. First, secondly, for example, I am reading first time giving the examination of intermediate, then I have to read it once. But if I fail, then again I have to read. So try to do each and everything in the one attempt, so that you will be, whatever you are doing, do it perfectly. Invest your more time. Try to go into that topic. For example, if you are reading any topic, so try to cover each and everything of that topic, so that even in case of examination the questions are somewhat different, then definitely you will be getting an idea about how to attempt that question. So try to do each and everything and be self motivated and self confident, because when confidence will come, you have done each and everything, then only self confidence will come. So try to do each and everything, do some multiple time revision, so that it will be easy for you to crack the examination, and all the things will be clear in the very next attempt. So I hope you are clear, I am clear with the answer. So now thank you, bye, and take care and all the best for exam.